Raindrop.
Drop top.
Drop top.
Drop top.
Drop tops.
Drop top.
Raindrop?
Raindrop.
I mean, you almost sound like you're saying ranger, like a Jamaican guy. Raindrop.
Just raindrops? I think it's great to smoke bud when it's raining outside watching Netflix. That's what I think of.
That's a pretty color of blue. I like it. In glass, mostly.
What?
Raindrop.
Yeah. You would like finish that or some shit? I'm sorry, I don't know what you're talking about.
Raindrop.
What about raindrops?
Keep falling on my head.
Drop top.
Finally, someone got it right. Holy shit.
Hey! Raindrops, drop top,